mix up. I'm involved in the mix up. I don't know nobody come and mix me up. And mix me up, brother. You just allow me some girl for allow me in the dark. I don't want to take this to the next level, you know. You understand me? Because I don't have to see me, you know. Bad mind, dirty blood clot, I don't have to see me, you know. I don't have to see me. Because when I walk, I fly for. I make sure I set to me thing, them notice me. I run blood clot joke, I know what I do. I know one a blood clot. I mean, I fuck around nobody. Nobody come fuck around me, you know. Allow me, I live my bumbo clot life and do what me I do, you know. You understand me? Because I'm in a business about nobody and them friendship, you know. I'm in a business about nobody and them friendship. I'm try to talk or say nothing if you involve. Now, if Nikisha, I'm a post a blood clot video towards certain things, me never come. Because I don't want to get involved. You understand me? Because I guess I'm not a batty boy, I'm a man. I don't want a body mix, me no girl thing. Because some people know this to not show me dance, I'm a jovial and do my blood clot, skanking and love my dancing, I'm entertainment. Because I don't know me love the people, them who love me, who me entertain. You understand me? Show respect to them. I don't want nobody feel like me, I no pussy, me no punk, me no come from country. Flank one different place of blood clot Mobi, so I know that even if it's a Mobi a country, flank a different world. So I know nobody come mix. I'm all my bad man brother them up. I don't want to walk with them. I be a bad man blood clot brother me about this. So I don't want to walk with them, so I don't want nobody come ramp with me. You understand me? So not leave me out on the mix up on this and that and some girl go shoot up them big bumbo clot and some big pussy cause them sell out, you know. Them sell out. A big girl them fucking and I can go on like them tough. And show me I keep my woman from the blood clot dirtiness. Some of them girl come go on like say, them want come style man. Go style on them big pussy mama. Cause if you can't see me and lick me on my face and none of the man them can't do me nothing. Cause I want to walk with my gun, them walk with them. So suck on the mother. That me I tell you no. Allow me out of this. If it's a me gonna chip lick, nobody no want to see you no. Cause the entertainment done in a mix up. And mix up on the entertainment there. Mix up on the entertainment there. No do nothing. No skank, no time. Nobody no want to see you. Them gyal when they all in one bumbo clot self. Body big same way, head big said way, belly and body and back and side and every blood clotting up on the same level. All in one dozen bumbo clot gyal them. No all in one self come and chat up on the mouth. If it's a me could not sexy make a man I want to know. Suck on the mother. Bad mind blood clot gyal and Nikisha on the bad mind. Pussy boy, suck on the mother. Nyam on the mother and down you want to do now? See like come here talk now, when you come kick me in my face now, make on the man them come box me in my face now. And that don't have a condo now. Cause me just feel like that now. Cause not this man from when you know girl, I'm not chat to no now, you know. Low now, you know, low girl thing to girl, you know. Me leave girl thing to girl alone, you know. And I stay in my own lane, you know, cause I guess when I end the day, me a man. Girl thing and my thing. You understand me? But some of it and no one I do. And me make me tell them this, no one I do and allow me out and mix up. You understand me? Yeah. Good night. You understand me? Everybody do what they have to do and allow me. Here, sir? And just allow me, I just that more I say. Because every day them up on live, I come and go and they want style, man. I mean, see someone on this, you know. I mean, I have this, you know. Remember Marvin, my name. I control every girl everywhere I work. I mean, make girl this, you know. Know that. Remember, my name Marvin. Remember, my name Marvin. Just remember that. The name never change it. Stand for all girl. You understand me? So me make y'all this one up. Cause me tell them any program not for them. Anything what me tell them for do then do. So no ramp with me make y'all see one and make no can't walk. So no one I do. You understand me? Allow the girl. So the girl are doing thing and the girl thing hot and the people them love the girl thing. We not try to stop the girl. One end do for her. We not try to help her. We not try to uplift her blood clot career. You know see if me actually have to act up. If me are traveling in the world, she have to travel too. And I go everywhere in the world and entertain people too and I do her thing too. And that's what I like one I do. Mix up on in every day. All I want to do is mix up. One I do no work. And I try to involve the girl and mix up. Love Clan Nikisha make she live her life. You understand me? If she happy and she alright with me, want no problem. Want no mad for. I'm not going to make no man them. But happy and alright with no man them too, man. Bumbo Clan. But as I say, people them sorry for me only for bad word and only for this and only for that. Cause you don't know no matter what, when I make nobody draw me out, you know. I'm still a represent for people them. That's how I'm there for. I just make some dirty girl know. So you wanna stay, you wanna keep me name out on the mouth and go suck on the mother. You understand me? Alright, that's how I name on the mother. Because none of you can't see me and chat to me, because I'm kicking on the face too. You hear me? I say, I don't talk for you. People bless.